In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add ruffles to the leg hems of your Jaimie PJs. If you're after the ultimate PJ sewing pattern, look no further than our Jaimie pyjama bottoms and shorts sewing pattern. Not only a fabulous pattern for complete beginners, but Jaimie is also a great place to start pattern hacking. Whether that's adding your own inseam pockets or trying out this ruffle hack, you'll be able to create your perfect PJs using Jaimie as your base. Sew your Jaimie PJs as normal, following the instruction booklet or by following our handy sew along video, leaving the legs unhemmed. Now let's start sewing some ruffles. The ruffles can be adjusted to suit your fabric length to minimise waste, or cut them longer or shorter if you want them more or less gathered. The width of one of my Jaimie legs is approximately 22 inches or 55 centimetres. To get my desired ruffle length, I like to double the length, so I'm cutting my ruffles approximately 44 inches or 112 centimetres long, and 4 inches or 10 centimetres wide. If you've cut your ruffle strips out of scraps, like I have here, you'll need to pin and stitch the ruffle strips at the short ends, right sides together to form one long strip to measure your desired length. Press the seam allowances open. Press the two remaining short ends under 15mm or 5/8 of an inch to the wrong side. This will create neat ends to your ruffles. Then fold your long ruffle strip lengthways, wrong sides together and press. Now to gather the ruffle. Set your sewing machine to a long 4 to 5mm straight stitch. Sew 2 lines of gathering stitches along the length of the ruffle, close to the long raw edges, leaving the loose thread tails at either end. Grab hold of the top 2 threads at one end of the ruffle and carefully pull them to gather up the fabric. This step may take a while, but don't rush as you don't want to snap your threads. Pull your threads until your ruffles look even and measure approximately the length of the leg hem. I like to press the ruffles at this stage too. Pin the ruffles to the hem of your PJ leg. When you reach the point where the ruffle ends meet, slightly overlay them to close any gap. Stitch around the leg hem. Finish the seam, I've used my overlocker, and press your ruffles away from the leg. You can also choose to top stitch the ruffle seam allowance to the PJ leg for another neat finish. Give your garment a final press and you've got yourself a sassy pair of finished ruffle PJs.